Okay guys, in this short video I want to show you on how to try our demo version of our platform. Okay, I'm talking about, of course, tokenization platform. So if you go on hub.propertydex.xyz, you can you can visit our page here. There's a description on how you can get your free demo, and then go to digital ownership, click on investment overview. Of course, those names are just a test for now. And then what you do now, of course I'm going to update this page, but here you need to connect your wallet. Of course I'm using MetaMask. I suggest you to use MetaMask. Then click connect. After that, you can claim our token. The token is not on the market, so no speculation, nothing. The only thing that you have to do is click here to save fees. So I'm doing again the step. Okay, just click on claim 5,000 BLOCKYORK tokens, and just to save a couple of cents of fees, because it's very cheap. We use a Base Mainnet. Okay, you click here, you save some cents, you confirm, and then you get your token. I don't do it now because I already did it. So I want to save this wallet, because you can claim the token from this smart contract just once with each wallet. Okay, so after that you scroll down. Of course we'll give you just 5,000 BLOCKYORK. You can try to get this NFT. Okay, mint the NFT, insufficient balance, of course, so I'm going to change my wallet. Let's do the original one. Okay, now I changed my wallet, and as you can see, it's me. And so I'm going to mint my NFT. Of course, I'm going to choose the low. Okay, and then confirm. What the fuck? Okay, the token, it's approved. So we have to do two steps. We have to approve. Of course, this is the blockchain, guys, it's not me. Okay. Then confirm. There we go. The NFT it's already minted. So then, okay, and then we go to check our MetaMask. We go on NFT section. Technically you will see the image here. It's gonna be the last one. So but we go to check. Let's click on here. It's gonna show us the page with the NFT. So I mean the first one 17 days ago. Now 6 minutes ago, this is the NFT. There we go. This is our pilot project. Okay, so there is no like kind of sorty art, you know what I mean? It's just an image created by AI, to be honest. So that's all, guys. The token ID is number 2, and that's it. And then after that we can see for example, how it works, you can see, you know, how it works about this project. Okay, this is a pilot project about a coffee shop in New York City, created by community, okay, by blockchain community. Okay, and here you can see how it works about revenue and everything. And then the most important part is on digital ownership. You just scroll here down on rewards dashboard, and then you can see, of course, connect your wallet. It's gonna tell you all the details. Okay, I think it's perfect, because here you can see how, okay, you can claim your rewards. I just minted my NFT and then I can go to claim my rewards, but in a real life, let's say, it's not like this, because if we invest in something that doesn't have a passive income yet, like an apartment, I don't know, maybe you have an apartment to rent on Airbnb or wherever, you have to wait at the end of the year or after 6 months or whatever. I created my smart contract to show you on how you can claim your rewards. Okay, let's say this is the rewards, the revenue about an apartment from Airbnb. The owner is gonna put all the revenue on the smart contract, and the smart contract, what it's gonna do is gonna give you, I'm a cheap guy, I want to save money in fees. In that case, I'm not gonna do it. So there we go, I'm gonna claim my my token. Okay, every week. Okay, this why we call it this demo, because after a week, okay, I put the schedule times. After a week, it's gonna give you again 2500 token. Okay, that's the like a revenue, a regular revenue. Here you can see total claim 2500. Okay, so doesn't matter how many BLOCKYORK I have here, because it's my original wallet where from where I created the token. So there we go, guys. Here you can see all the transaction. That's our goal, to be full transparent. So I think that for this video it's all. If you want to try the demo, just come here, get your free demo and fill out this form and let's chat. Okay, I'll see you then.